But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, back at it again with another video. Y'all, I've missed y'all for real, like not for fake at all. But your girl is turning 25. Gonna be 25. Oh my gosh. Your girl is turning 25. My birthday coming up in a few days. And the maintenance officially starts today. So welcome to my maintenance vlog. We're going to do a wax, nails done, toes done, hair done. Yeah, I think that's about it. That's all the maintenance that we're going to get into in this vlog. So definitely bringing you guys along with me. I won't do too much yapping. Y'all know I could yap for days, so I'm not gonna do too much yapping. Let's get right into the video.
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it.
The wax has been done. Your girl is feeling good. Your girl is feeling real nice, baby. Okay? That is all we're getting done today. So that is a check on getting a wax.
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it. Jeans and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it. Enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a lot. Do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya. Nah.
This world concrete, I would go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was loud, straight, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my flow. Body down, wrist, close. Time on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you rain, wanna see you.
That's you hot, tell you I won't waste your time, I tell you up. Just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it up, just so I can tell you baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Why are you coming for it?
Kisses from you and me. I just don't wanna stop.
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it. Jeans and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it. Enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the vibe. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it. Jeans and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it. Enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a lot. Do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya. Nah.
This world concrete, I would go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was loud, straight, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my flow. Body down, wrist, close. Time on the way home. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. it was up to me, I wouldn't give these nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see when you wanna see this work.
I can't lie, I trust you, I tell you I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low, better days coming for sure.
Why are you coming for it?
Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with the vibe. Fa. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it.